Why is it so hard finding parking in this city? Oh man. Yo, what's good, guys? So the plan for today is for me to go to a car show. It's called Yorkville Exotic Car Show, I believe is the name. But prior to that, I'm trying to go to this vintage store called Real Life Vintage. I found it on TikTok and I saw the prices to be really good. So I'm gonna go check that out and see what they have in store. And probably buy a couple of things, to be honest, because I love thrifting. So we're gonna see that in a sec. Catch you guys there. Just got in here. And take a look at a couple of these things. You know I love white tees, and it's kind of tricky getting a couple here. I'll be real, they have a couple of fire tees, but the prices are looking a little steep. 30 bucks for this. I reckon this is hard a lot. I kind of like it. The thing is, I barely wear colors, so I'm trying to get into colors and see. I actually like this, I won't lie. This is actually a fire piece. It's an XO for 30 bucks. I think it's fair for what it's worth. Yeah. You like? I just got it actually. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, you should. Yeah, it's worth it. I can't lie, it's really worth it.
Follow our Instagram right now. Get 5% off.
All right, let me check that. That's a great deal. I already follow you guys, actually. We haven't followed some time. Probably see him, right? Yeah, but he's like the only one that is like a Toronto niche, YouTuber. The rest are just kind of. Yeah, so.
Okay. You got 30 minutes more.
Kind of have an ADE. I created a new channel, FUAAD. No, if that's fine. Yeah. Kind of confusing. ADE. FUAAD. Yeah, this is it. Here. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it, broski. As you guys saw, the guys in real life are super cool, super nice. I got a $10 discount for following their Instagram, which I already did a long time ago, but I probably not even know. Anyways, the prices are really good. And yeah, they're super cool people, man. So right now I'm just gonna go to the Yorkville Car Show.
Camera.
Yeah, it is.
I am from Brazil.
Oh yeah?
Where are you from?
Nigeria.
Lagos.
Yeah, Lagos, how'd you know that?
I have been 2 times in Lagos.
Oh yeah?
From Rio de Janeiro.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that, I like
bro?
that. People in Toronto just really talk to you, and some people are funny and some are quite strange. I just filmed and realized that I did not even press start. Anyways, guys, I'm on my way to the car show. It's gonna take me about 30 minutes to get there. It's at Yorkville, which is the bougie area in Toronto, so I heard. The show ends at 5 p.m. though, and it's currently 2:54 p.m. So I have about an hour and 30 minutes for me to enjoy the car show. So I'm gonna get on the way there now. And right after, probably look for something to eat because I'm starving. I'm mobbed, fam.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the number just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me.
I kind of forgot that I'm in this city and parking is probably gonna be a hectic one today. the real, I had no idea it was going to be this packed, and literally everyone and their moms are here looking at supercars. It's exciting, but at the same time, it's a lot of people, to be honest. It's a lot of people there. I never planned on seeing that many people, but it's kind of fun seeing a lot of people in the city appreciating cars as much. To be honest, I was never really a car guy. I was more of a sporty guy only, but coming to this city and trying to realize, you know what? There's more to life than just sports. So I'm beginning to love cars. Also beginning to love F1. I think it's such a weird thing that car guys just also love F1, but I'm gonna look for something to eat right now. There isn't much to pick from, to be honest. Is your meat halal?
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
Check with the
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, man, drive.
Bro, today was something else, man. On our way to H&M and Uniqlo, I'm trying to go get a shirt and a t-shirt. Bro, I swear I've been here before. Why does it look different? There is an oversized crew-neck tee, so like an extra large. Bro, this is so small. I'm typically a XL, but the XL here is looking mad small. So we're currently at H&M trying to get a shirt. Hopefully they have it, because online it says they do have it at this location. I think this is the shirt, yeah. It doesn't look the same like on camera on the website. So the shirt that I saw online is not looking the same on the website. So now I'm just gonna do a little impromptu search. I see the Vision, fam.
I don't see no more Visions.
So the two options we got right now is this one I just found. It looks tough, clean, easy to style. This one too is cream. Hard fit, hard fit. This is actually not bad. Everything is just kind of tight around the arms. I told you guys that however it looks on the racks, it's not gonna look the same on your body. So this one is definitely not a cop. Yeah. So guys, thank you for watching to the end. Boxing today, and also I had to cop a shirt because I have work and I just need a couple, shirts to look decent at work. But yeah, thank you for watching to the end, and I'm gonna be dropping a lot of videos every 2 weeks. So make sure you guys stay tuned every 2 weeks. I believe on Fridays or Sundays, I'm gonna drop in a video. If not, I'm gonna let you guys know my Instagram, which you guys can follow below. Stay tuned, man. Appreciate it. Peace.
Things around.